Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sahil Pratap Singh. I'm here with a new blog. In my last blog, I visited McLeodganj, Mandi, Dharamshala, and Manali, and I had posted a video of that. I hope you people liked it. Those of you who watched that video. So today we are moving from Jammu to Basoli. It's a bright day. It's Sunday, and the time right now is 8:15 a.m. The distance from Jammu to Basoli is around 150 kilometers. That will be carrying in around 3.5 hours to 4 hours. So about Basoli, you will see how beautiful that place is. It's a small town basically, located around 80 to 90 kilometers from Kathua city. It's a very beautiful place. So I'll show you the beauty of that place. We have the most mini Goa there, so I'll be taking you towards that place. Right now I am going from Badi Brahmana road. This will take us to National Highway, and from there we'll reach Samba. From Samba it will take us around 18 kilometers to reach Dyalachak, and from Dyalachak we have to move towards our left side. That road will lead us to Bilawar road. So as we are moving towards the place Basoli, let me tell you about some facts about this place. Basoli was formerly known as Vishwatali, and it is located in the Kathua district in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is situated on the right bank of river Ravi at an altitude of 1876 feet. It is said that it was founded by Raja Bhupat Pal in around 1635, and it was known for the palaces which are now in ruins and miniature paintings, also known as Basoli paintings. Basoli is situated in the uneven lofty hills of Shivaliks. It is situated on the right bank of river Ravi. Before the construction of Ranjit Sagar Dam, Basoli was just 32 kilometers from Kathua, but now, due to the dam, it's about 72 kilometers from the Kathua city. According to 2011 census, Basoli town had a population of around 5,433, where males constituted 52.1% and the females' population was around 47.99%. The literacy rate in Basoli was around 77%, that was higher than the national average of 59.5%. Basoli is widely known for its painting called Basoli paintings, which are also considered the first school of Pahari paintings. When we move towards Basoli, we come across various places which are tourist spots. Dhar Mahanpur, Sanan Ghat, Shitala Mata Temple, Seva Hydro Project, Basoli Bridge are some of such tourist spots. About Dhar Mahanpur is a new tourist spot in the middle Himalayas. It is around 27 kilometers from Basoli and 87 kilometers from Kathua. It has a viewing experience which is excellent, and it enjoys temperate type of climate that people love when they reach here. Cold winter and pleasant summer are the main attractions of this place, and many tourist melas are organized here by the tourist department of J&K government to promote tourism. And in upcoming times, tourist huts are also proposed to be constructed at this place. Shitala Mata temple is situated approximately around 200 kilometers from Jammu. This temple is located in Chodhya, a village of Bani Tehsil in Kathua district. This temple is about 50 kilometers from Basoli. Here, the weather is always cold, and in winter, there is a view of the snow. A lot of people are seen here in the Navratras, and people come here from far places. There is a living and eating arrangement near the temple, and it is said that we have to do 12 kilometers pedestrian travel to reach here. From here, Basoli bridge is around 500 meters. About this bridge, let me tell you, it's a stunning cable-stayed bridge, and it is very important and first of its kind in the North India. The bridge is around 592 meters long, and it's fourth such bridge in the country. Out of 592 meters, 350 meters span is cable-stayed, while the rest is a plain bridge. It is estimated that around 145 crore cost was incurred on building this bridge, and Basoli bridge is strategically very important for the quick induction of the army during emergency. It is also named as Atal Setu. It reduces the distance between Pathankot and Basoli by more than 35 kilometers, saving both time and fuel. So as you can see now, we have reached over the Basoli bridge. How beautiful the view from here is, and this is Ranjit Sagar, the river Ravi. The view here is mesmerizing, and this bridge is built so well on the ridge. My first visit here, and I'm loving the experience. Wind is blowing. It's very difficult to stand on this bridge during evening. Many people are seen here coming in, experiencing scenic view. Right now, it's around 2 o'clock. Weather is also very pleasant. We spent here around 30 to 35 minutes, and now we will be moving from here to Puthu. Someone has told us that Puthu is around 3 to 4 kilometers from this place. As we know, Puthu is also known as the mini Goa of Jammu and Kashmir. So I'll be showing you how it actually looks like, and is it really the mini Goa of Jammu and Kashmir. So after 2 to 3 kilometers we have reached Puthu, mini Goa, and it's very truly said that it is actually the mini Goa of Jammu and Kashmir. I've never visited Goa, but I've seen the pics, videos, and this place is almost the same. mesmerizing, and we can see the water, the blue water shining so bright. It's almost like beaches in Goa. And let me tell you, it has been a lot of tourists over a short span of time. The reason is very clear, and it is the location which is exactly as the land of beaches of Goa. The beautiful beaches here are formed due to the backwaters of Ranjit Sagar Dam, and who know, this could be the reason for the birth of such a beautiful place. This has become one of the most visited and favorite spot of Jammu people to spend their evenings with family and friends. And as darkness comes over, the bridge is lit up with all the LED lights, making it look more exotic and adding more glitter to this place. They provide you with the motorboat rides for fun activities, and more sport activities are to be started by the department at this place very soon. This place, Purthu, is a dream destination for many people at present for its natural beauty. Many pre-wedding captures are being done at this spot, and it gives a beautiful view for lifetime memories. Families are found here enjoying on the weekends away from their routine and hectic schedule, and it's a must-place visit for the people of Jammu to enjoy this scenic beauty. I hope you people liked my video, gathered some information about this beautiful place Basoli and the Purthu, mini Goa of Jammu and Kashmir. Keep supporting, keep liking this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sahil Pratap Singh. You guys can also follow me on Insta handle. My Insta handle is Sahil Sampial Official. Till then, keep supporting. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for so much of love.
Don't know what's wrong, something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken flight. Things just feel heavy tonight. I'm tasting